In a world where gym memberships are pricey and schedules are tight, one question keeps coming up. Is it really possible to get a six-pack without stepping into a gym? Today, we're breaking down the truth behind that, and trust me, you won't need anything but your own body and a little bit of determination. Imagine this. No weights, no fancy machines, just you on your living room floor, transforming your core with moves so effective they'll have your abs burning in minutes. Sounds unreal? Let's prove it's not. We're starting simple: crunches, leg raises, and planks. Each one hits your abs from a different angle, building strength and definition faster than you think. Add mountain climbers and flutter kicks to fire up your entire core and boost endurance. The secret? Consistency. Just 10 minutes daily can completely change your midsection. Stay focused, breathe through every rep, and don't quit. Results come faster than excuses. Your abs aren't built in the gym, they're built through effort. So roll out that mat, start today, and let your results do the talking.